Hello, YouTube! Press the buttons from smallest to largest number. Okay. 2, 14, 15, 23, 37. No, 37. Perfect, I got it right. Yay! I'm not stupid like everyone else was that died. Humans cannot breathe and swallow at the same time. Humans cannot breathe and swallow at the same time. Think before you guess and be awesome. Oh my god, you actually can't do swallow and breathe at the same time. I just tried it and it was fake. It was real. I'm just kidding. October 10th falls on a Tuesday every year. I don't know if that's true. I'm just gonna say false. Oh, crap. I didn't even choose one. No, please, please. I'm dead. Okay, it costs the U.S. Mint more to make pennies and nickels than the coins are actually worth. I already saw this question, and that is true. Yeah, I've done this question before, and I choose false and I lost. So yeah, I knew it was that. So it was easy. Protect yourself from punishment. No, for 1 minute. No, I can't do that. I don't have any Robux. Baseball. Okay, that was easy. Dead. Yeah. Pets. Have a hedgehog. Have 5 IQ. Self group ID. Okay, heck no. Okay, yeah. Available ID, I don't care. What the frick? Why is there nothing popping on the screen? Oh guys, if you also play Roblox just like me, don't play on March 18th. Just don't. You'll get hacked by Mr. John Doe and Mr. Jane Doe, or 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, or the community, or other people. And you don't want to be hacked by them. They steal your account. And then you can't log in ever again to Roblox. So I'm not playing on March 18th. What the freak? How did she get a cape? What the... Well guys, I'm gonna leave this game. It's broken. Are you stupid? No, I'm not stupid. Okay. What should we play next? What's fun? Hey, I heard Tornado Alley is new. I think. I don't know. But I'm gonna try and see if it is new. Yeah. No, it's not new. I don't think, at least I never played it, so I don't really know if it's new or not. Starting new round. Welcome to Tornado Alley. Will you survive the tornado? Vote for a map. City. Now can I get this off my screen? Hotel. Oh, not found the city. Okay. I was gonna vote for the hotel, but okay. Loading map, you may experience lag. I know, right? What the frick? Whole thing is lagging. Ah. Read the roleplay messages at the top of your screen. Okay, that's easy enough. You get a call on your cell phone. Hello? Yo, what's up, homie? Hey, I'm doing pretty good. Thanks for asking. So, how is it all there? It's doing... I didn't get to read that. Good, sort of. I've heard recently there... Yeah, but homie, relax. Dog, them weather's gods aren't always right. Well, I guess you're right. I shouldn't worry. There you go, homie. Well, my home dog gonna do some blah. Ha ha. Ha ha. Okay, see you around, click. Roboxian local weather station Reliance has issued that there is a major tornado coming this way. I'm not gonna read it, I don't care. Wait, multiply tornadoes? No, we're all gonna die! We're all gonna die. Okay, shelter! In this shelter, nothing's gonna happen now. Because I think I remember playing this game, and the storm doesn't even pick you up unless you're super close. So nobody even has to be in shelter. So that's easy. I'm just gonna walk around in circles and circles and circles. I'm gonna walk around. What are you doing? Why are you killing yourself? Oh, wow. We have a super jump. Doing, doing. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, I was sucked in the tornado now. Flying, cause the tornado. I'm gonna stay up here so I don't die. No, I'm falling back down. No. Falling through the sky. Well, I died. Tornado got me. But anyways, that's it for today. Bye.